Stick with me for the next 5 minutes and I'll save you hours of research and possibly hundreds of dollars in preventable mistakes. Let's start with the most important step, the visa. As of April 2024, Indonesia introduced the E33G Remote Worker Visa, the official gateway for digital nomads. It's valid for 1 year, renewable once, and the best part, your foreign income isn't taxed here. To qualify, you'll need a passport valid for at least 2 more years, proof of about $2,000 to $3,000 in your bank, income from outside Indonesia, health insurance coverage, and around $300 for the online application. The approval process usually takes about 10 business days. And one heads up, steer clear of sketchy visa agents on social media. You can 100% do this yourself. If you're not quite ready to commit, go with the B211A tourist visa instead. It gives you 60 days up front with the option to extend 4 times. It's the perfect way to test if Bali feels like home. Now let's talk about the new entry fee. Bali recently introduced a one-time tourism levy of 150,000 rupiah, about $10. The funds go toward reef restoration and sustainable tourism. Before you fly, download the Love Bali app, pay online, and keep your QR code handy. You'll thank yourself when you breeze through customs. Next, let's break down what it really costs to live here. Forget the outdated Bali on $5 a day blogs. Here's what things look like now. The backpacker budget. You'll need $600 to $900 per month. This will cover local homestays, street food, scooter rental. It's tight, but doable. If you prefer a bit more comfort, $1,000 to $1,500 per month can suffice. This can cover a private room or a shared villa, gym membership, co-working pass, and a mix of local and Western meals. If you want to truly live luxuriously, you'll need $1,800 to $2,500 per month. This will get you a private pool villa, premium co-working spaces, weekend getaways, and access to top-tier fitness clubs. All these price brackets include basics like gas, data, and insurance. Now the question is, where should you stay? Canggu is for surfers, creators, and nightlife lovers. It's the social hub. Ubud offers jungle serenity, yoga, and deep focus. Great for writers and remote workers. Uluwatu has epic cliffs, waves, and a growing cafe culture. Sanur and Nusa Dua are perfect if you want something quiet and family-friendly. When it comes to working remotely, Bali delivers. Outpost Canggu now runs 24/7 with blazing fast 1 GB per second fiber internet. Other excellent co-working options include Tribal and B-Work. Prices run around $130 to $190 per month with plenty of day passes available. Let's talk housing. Start with an Airbnb for your first week. Once you're here, grab a scooter and explore. The best deals come from walking around and talking directly with the property owners. Bali landlords prefer face-to-face, not social media contact. Average prices. Homestay room, $300 to $450. 1-bedroom villa, $700 to $1,200. 3-bedroom pool villa, $1,500 to $2,500. Prices spike during peak season, July and August, so plan ahead. Now, what about building your community? Monday, marketing meetup. Wednesday, nomad beach gatherings. Weekends, surf meetups, jungle hikes, and volunteer cleanups. In Bali, showing up is all it takes to plug in. Always wear a helmet and carry an international driving permit. Clinics like BIMC offer excellent care. Expect to pay around $50 for a doctor visit. Insurance. Safety Wing and IMG have solid expat plans, usually $60 to $80 per month. And now, 7 quick money-saving hacks. Pay rent in local currency for better exchange rates. Use Gojek and Grab for rides and food, and compare both. Get a Telkomsel SIM at the airport, 15 gigabytes for under $10. Eat at Warung's, $2 meals that beat $8 smoothie bowls. Bring a refillable water bottle, stay hydrated, reduce plastic. Join co-working spaces early to catch off-season discounts. Use Wise for low-fee money transfers. A few final notes on culture and sustainability. Dress modestly at temples. Never touch anyone's head. It's considered sacred. Learn to say terima kasih. Thank you. It goes a long way. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you plan your journey, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone dreaming of island life.